Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Absolutely. You can use your phone to edit videos like a pro. Modern smartphones are equipped with powerful processors and high-quality cameras, making them excellent tools for video editing. Apps like Adobe Premiere Rush, iMovie for iOS, and KineMaster offer robust editing tools such as trimming, adding effects, and color correction. To get started, download one of these apps, explore tutorials to familiarize yourself with the features, and practice with your own footage. The key to professional-looking videos is creativity, practice, and mastering the use of your chosen editing app.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.